Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you guys how to find the magnitude of a vector in Python. So first I'm going to be importing a certain sort of library called NumPy to actually initiate these sort of calculations. So we're going to be showing you guys first how to do it manually, and then the second way we're going to be showing you guys how to use a NumPy sort of function to find the magnitude of a vector. So first I want to actually initialize a vector. So for we're going to be doing np.array, and we're going to be putting in the key list that we need to. Let's do 2, 3, and 4. Actually no, let's do 2, 4, 6 for all even numbers. And then from here we're going to want to calculate the process manually. So we're going to be doing it as initializing a variable of magnitude of vector, and then equalizing this into the square root. So this is where we're going to actually be doing the performance for this. So first I want to take the sum of the certain vector and then square root that by 2. So that's what's gonna how it's gonna give us the actual magnitude of the vector. And this is essentially just this process to where we're taking in the vector and taking the square root of it and finding each vector field. So in this case we have 2, 4, and 6. So this is gonna be 2, 4, and then 6 for each variable. And then all we're doing is squaring each one and adding the certain all the key fields. So now we want to print out the actual so let's say and then let's do this mag of vector. So now if we run this, we actually get the magnitude of this vector. Now I actually want to show you guys how to do the next step of the process, which is actually using the NumPy library. So for this is going to be calculating the magnitude of the vector by using np.lil linl and then gnorm. That's the certain sort of function we're going to be using. It's a much easier step than using all square roots and whatnot. So first we're going to be taking in the mag of the vector, and then we're going to be initializing this to np.lan. So that's the function, and taking the norm of that and putting the vector down, so as a parameter, and we're going to be printing out the magnitude. We're going to be calculating, let's just put this for time case is, and then we're going to be setting this into we're going to be initializing this again, and now we'll get the magnitude of magnitude using the function of lil gnorm. So here you go. It's pretty much the same sort of way you can do it, but I figured this is a lot faster when you import the NumPy library to Python. Thank you guys.